Namaskar. Welcome to my channel World of Health. Today we are talking about extremely important topic of today, the present situations around us, and the title is Save Your Life. Save your life. Even billions of dollars are equal to this small, simple video. I'm talking facts. Nobody is going to tell you all this because the situations are, people are in situation, they can't tell you all that. But I am doing it. Save your life. Billions of dollars are equal to this small, simple video. And it is like this. Save your life. Billions of dollars equal to this simple video. Then I will talk in Hindi also. अरबों रुपया इस छोटी सी साधारण वीडियो के बराबर है. Why? Because these facts can save our life. Then the second point is many shapes of media is injecting fear in the whole world. Many shapes of media is injecting fear in the whole world. मीडिया का कई रूप जो हैं वो पूरी दुनिया के अंदर डर को इंजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, बो रहे हैं, सामने ला रहे हैं सारी दुनिया के. अदरवाइज देयर इज nothing which can pollute the whole universe, all the countries. Not possible, impossible, because universes, the countries all over the world is too infinite. ये मीडिया जो है वो पूरे के पूरे ब्रह्मांड को, पूरे के पूरे कंट्रीज को पल्यूट कर रहा है. अदरवाइज कोई दुनिया की ऐसी ताकत नहीं है जो इस ब्रह्मांड के एनवायरनमेंट को पल्यूट कर दे. अगर पल्यूट होता भी है तो उसके पास ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम्स हैं कुदरत के पास जो उसको ठीक करते हैं. इफ एट ऑल इट पल्यूट्स, द यूनिवर्स हैज सिस्टम टू ऑटोमेटिकली improve that. Because media has done that, Mother Nature can do nothing. Media has polluted whole world. मीडिया ने सारी दुनिया को पोल्यूट कर दिया है. Otherwise nothing can pollute this universe. It has automation. And this fear is the biggest virus. And we are carrying it consistently, 365 days or 24 hours. We are carrying that fear. It's not an instant of fear. We are carrying that fear all the time. ये डर जो है हमारे साथ हर वक्त चल रहा है कि अभी मुझे ना हो जाए, अभी उसको ना हो जाए, अभी ये ना हो जाए, अभी मेरे घर में ना हो जाए. ये डर कॉन्सिस्टेंट, लगातार ये डर उन्होंने हमारे साथ हमारी पॉकेट में डाल दिया है. They have put this fear in our pocket to stay with us all the time. So all this fear, ये जो डर है जो इंजेक्ट किया गया है मीडिया के थ्रू, ये पूरे के पूरे स्कैम को, कोरोना स्कैम, दिस इज मेकिंग द कोरोना स्कैम सक्सेसफुल. इट इज मेकिंग द कोरोना स्कैम सक्सेसफुल. ये कोरोना के जो धोखा है उसको सक्सेसफुल बना रहा है. ये जो डर है उसके ऊपर अभी अगले स्टेप पे बात करता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द फियर इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. because this fear takes birth in our brain and then destroys the whole function, respiratory function. The fear takes birth in the brain and then destroys the whole respiratory system. the breathing system, the oxygen system, the throat and all that, everything get destroyed with this fear. ये पूरा जो डर है ये हमारे दिमाग में पैदा होता है और उसके बाद हमारी ऑक्सीजन, हमारी सांस लेने की प्रणाली को और गले को चोक कर देता है, डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है। कितना बड़ा दुश्मन है ये डर। दिस फियर क्रिएटेड बाय मीडिया, created by some big scam. This scam is a world level scam. This type of scam never happened in the history of the world. ये इस तरह का धोखा दुनिया में आज तक हुआ नहीं है कि जिसमें all over the world people are involved because of media. We have never seen a scam of this level in the history of mankind, which trapped whole world. Now after few years, when the facts of this scam will come out, people will be surprised that this was done to damage humanity for their own purposes. Some few people or few countries or something, I don't know what is the fact, is involved in this injecting of fear. They can't pollute the whole world, but they are using the tool of a fear to inject in the brain of everybody, and that is staying with the people consistently till they get damaged. One is feeling, oh, it is coming to me, everybody having, and then I will be having that, I will be having that. आदमी फील कर रहा है कि अब मुझे हो जाएगा, अब मुझे हो जाएगा, ये डर लगातार उसके साथ रह रहा है, and that is killing him. There's a killer fear. So we were talking that this fear, when takes birth in our brain, clogs or destroys the whole breathing system, respiratory system, and that involves the throat also, and that involves the immunity. Fear damages your immunity. Fear damages your breathing system. Fear damages your throat and all that. When immunity gone, and these things are there, respiratory and all that, one is sick. And then this fear again is not going to leave us. ये fear फिर भी हमारे साथ रहेगा. ये सारा जो डर है और इम्यून सिस्टम है उसको खराब कर दिया, रेस्पिरेटरी को खराब कर दिया, थ्रोट को खराब कर दिया. Even then it will be after you. It will stay with you. This will happen, this will happen. Now finally, don't let fear take birth. Period. Don't let fear take birth. Live your life in a regular way. One thing is very important, take all the precautions. Use mask, stay away from the people, do exercise in the sun and all that. That is a must. But don't let fear take birth. Don't let fear take birth. Then you can save your life. Fear is not a part of my life. If fear is not a part of life, not your life, Corona will not be a part of your life. It is a media scam. हमें डर को पैदा नहीं होने देना. हमें किसी कीमत पे भी डर को अपने सिस्टम में पैदा नहीं होने देना. हमने नॉर्मल लाइफ लीड करनी है, कुछ भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमें सारी प्रिकॉशंस लेनी है. मास्क यूज करिए, हवा में चलिए, सूरज के सामने खड़े होइए, एक्सरसाइज करिए, लेकिन डर को पैदा नहीं होने देना. डर नहीं पैदा होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Because the scam people, they have no other tool than fear. They injected fear through media, and that is staying with us consistently 24 hours a day. And that is ready to damage us. And those people creating scam, they are getting successful. So don't let fear take birth. Anything, some cold, cough or anything, as usual, take some hot lime water, ginger root water, turmeric in a hot water, you will be fine, just like it used to happen earlier. अगर ये चीज़ें आपको जुकाम या खांसी या कुछ होता है, इसका ट्रीटमेंट वैसे ही करिए जैसे पहले करते थे, और जिंजर रूट या हल्दी, ट्यूमरिक, काली मिर्च, हनी, ये चारों चीज़ें, ट्यूमरिक, ब्लैक पेपर, हनी, and then ginger juice fresh. Mix it, make a ball out of it. Take it with 2 times a day. Take a small ball of that with hot water. You will be fine. But the main purpose of this video is save your life and don't let fear take birth. Fear को तो नजदीक आने ही ना दें. Don't let. Because fear, suppose there is a gunman in front of you, your breathe and all that system get clogged. The similar way it is there. Suppose a lion is there outside and somebody, there is a that can kill you. A lion is there outside your hut, it will kill you and you will be like that. A thief is there, even you can't speak. Thief, thief, thief. कभी चोर आ जाए या शेर आ जाए या कोई सांप आ जाए तो हम इतने डर जाते हैं कि हमारी आवाज भी नहीं निकलती. Whole system get destroyed. So this fact I have given you. Nobody is going to give you, guaranteed. So this video, share with millions of people, save them. लाखों लोगों से शेयर कीजिए इसको और उनकी जिंदगी को बचा लीजिए, नहीं तो डर जो है वो उनको छोड़ेगा नहीं. Save your life. Don't let fear take birth. डर को पैदा ना होने दें. ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है to save your life. And this video is worth billions. अरबों की कीमत है इस वीडियो की. एक सिंपल से आदमी के थ्रू एक सिंपल से वीडियो is giving you life. It is a fact. It is a fact. So I told you don't let fear take birth. उसको पैदा नहीं होने देना डर को. दूसरा, सारी प्रिकॉशंस लेनी है, मास्क की भी, दूसरी भी, ये भी एक्सरसाइज करनी है. और तीसरी बात है कि आपने 4 चीज़ें, ट्यूमरिक, जिंजर रूट जूस, ये 3 चम्मच वो, 1 चम्मच वो, 1 चम्मच हनी, थोड़ी सी काली मिर्च, mix it and make balls and take that will be a ball just like a dough, so we can take with hot water. So today I am done and I will be there again with the same thing in front of you to remind you, save your life. And this video is worth billions. अरबों की कीमत है इस वीडियो की. और इसको डर को पैदा मत होने दीजिए, डर को पैदा मत होने दीजिए. डोंट लेट फियर टेक बर्थ. ओके, नमस्कार एंड हैव ए ग्रेट लाइफ.